As a country, we are seeing significant progress in our fight against crime and violence. Today, the nation is seeing a 40% reduction in murders, a 32% decline in shootings, and a 21% drop in overall major crimes. And this is an achievement that is brought about by deliberate strategy, a highly motivated and mobilized staff, and significant improvement in how we work each day. But ladies and gentlemen, let's face it, these would not have been possible without the kind of investment that has been and continues to be made in the country's security infrastructure.
As we hand over mobile and portable data capable radios, costing good money, 1,500 handheld ticketing devices, and 1,000 mobile printers, and in that process, therefore, equip the entire PSTB team on the road with the automated ticketing machines and complete the circle of getting the tickets through the system. The communication, of course, which the radio router is crucial to police operation. Communication system, which requires the transmission of mission-critical data to and from the field, so that when something is happening in Hanover in the hills, we can call Commissioner Blake, and his experience and leadership can come into play if it's a critical situation, and in between all the relevant officers that have to do the work. That's what communication in security means. The exchange of real-time images, GPS location, data and alerts, one-click programmable response signals in emergency situation, seamless integration with our upgraded digital radio infrastructure across the island. This is crucial to ensuring the police can now operate efficiently and well. And it's only when we get this kind of framework that we can ask for the results that we are getting. We hand over these 600 radios, 1,500 handheld devices, and 1,000 printers today. We do so with a certain level of satisfaction, and I feel good that we have been able to take the operations of the force to this level. We believe in the competence, the capacity, and the morale of this force, and we intend to increase providing resources to take your capacity to optimum level. But we're not static in anything we do, just as we have been building out the technological, the infrastructure in stations and other relevant infrastructure for the force. We will also continue to work and look at the human resource, whatever additional training may be required, whatever even additional manpower. We can't go too far because of the body station, but we want to see how we can ensure the officers can definitely get their job done, which means providing the required resources legally and technically to get the job done.